Good morning everyone. Today we're going to factorise non-unitary trinomials. Here it's non-unitary because the number in front of the x squared is 3. It's a unitary trinomial if the number in front is 1. So here we're factorising non-unitary trinomials. So when we factorise, that means that we want to put it back into brackets. Step 1, is there a common factor? No. Do I have something squared take away something squared? No. So I'm going to have double brackets. I look at my signs, I've got a plus and a plus. The plus here tells me that both signs are going to be the same. Plus here tells me that they're both going to be positive. Plus and plus. Okay, because it is a non-unitary trinomial, because we've got the 3 here, our strategy is slightly different. What we do is we write down the factor pairs of 3, and then we draw a line. Then we write down the factor pairs of 2, and then we write every combination. So we could have 1 and 2, 2 and 1. Okay, then what we do is we want to cross multiply and add to try and make 7. So I do 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. I want 7, so that doesn't work. We'll try again. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. That's the one that works. So, we're going to read off our brackets. So here, this is a number that goes in front of the x. So we're going to have a 1x and a 3x. So we're going to have a 1x and a 3x. And it's important to remember that we read across the way. So we're going to have an x plus 2, 3x plus 1. X plus 2, 3x plus 1. We can check that by multiplying out our brackets, and I'd encourage you to do this. If we were to multiply it, we would do x times 3x, which is 3x squared, x times 1, 2 times 3x, 2 times 1. And that would give me 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. Okay, we should always do that recheck to make sure we get back to what we started with. We'll have a look at one more example. Okay, here we want to factorise 10x squared plus 17x plus 3. Step 1, is there a common factor? No. Step 2, do I have something squared take away something squared? No. So step 3 means we're going to be doing a trinomial. So 2 brackets. I look at this guy here, this is a plus, that means both my signs will be the same. Because it's a plus here, that means they're both going to be plus. Because it's non-unitary, because this number here isn't 1, I need to do my different strategy. So I'm going to write down the factors of 10. So I've got 1 and 10. And then I'm going to draw my line. I know I've also got 2 and 5, but I'm just going to try it out first with 1 and 10. So I'm going to do 1 and 10, I write down all the combinations that make 3. So I could have 1 and 3, 3 and 1. I want to cross multiply and add to try and make 17. 3 plus 10, 3 plus 10, that doesn't work. 3 plus 10 is 13. I'll try this one. 1 plus 30. 1 plus 30 is 31. That doesn't work. So this one here doesn't work. So think about what other factors of 10 are there. Well, I've got 2 and 5. I'll do my process again. So I've got 1 and 3, 3 and 1. I think this one's going to work. So we're going to do 2 times 3. 2 3s are 6. 5 1s are 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. It's not what we're looking for. 2 1s are 2. 5 3s are 15. 2 plus 15 is 17. That's what we're looking for. We're looking to make 17. So we're going to do this guy here with this guy here. These numbers here tell us what goes in front of the x. So we're going to have 2x and we're going to have 5x. And then remember, we read across the way. So we're going to have 2x plus 3, 5x plus 1. 2x plus 3, 5x plus 1. You can always check if you're right by multiplying out your brackets. 2x times 5x, 10x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times 1 is 3. And if we collect these like terms here, we're going to get 17x. That's it.